In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set priority in Jira, a task that will complete in just 5 minutes. Prioritizing tasks in Jira is an essential skill for managing your projects efficiently and ensuring your team is always working on the most critical issues. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to head over to the Jira website. Open your favorite web browser and type in the Jira URL, or simply search for Jira in your search engine to navigate there quickly. When you've reached the site, look for the option to sign in. You'll see a button labeled Google. Click on it to sign in using your Google account. This step ensures that you are securely logged in with your credentials and have access to the projects you're managing. Once you're logged in, take a look at the interface on the left side of the screen. You'll see various options that help you navigate Jira's features. What you want to do now is go to your specific board. This is where your project's tasks are organized. Clicking on the board from the left panel will bring up all the tasks associated with your project, letting you see what's currently in progress. Now that you're on your board, the next step is to locate the task you wish to prioritize. Browse through your list of tasks until you find the one that requires immediate attention. Click on the task and it will open up displaying all the relevant details associated with it. You should see information like the task description, status, and the person it's assigned to. With your task open, it's time to zero in on the priority setting. Look for the field labeled Priority, typically located among the other task details. The priority field is where you can specify how urgent or important this task is in comparison to others. You'll typically find options like high, medium, or low. Sometimes additional custom priorities based on your project needs may also be available. Carefully select the appropriate priority level that best reflects the urgency of the task. Setting the right priority ensures that everyone on your team knows which tasks need to be tackled first and aligns with your project's timelines and objectives effectively. Once you've set the priority, any changes you make will automatically save. You're now ready to manage tasks with clear priorities, optimizing your workflow and keeping your team on track. And there you have it, the straightforward way to set priorities in Jira. By getting this system down pat, you'll find managing tasks and projects much simpler and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy prioritizing.